Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, reach thumbs up, and welcome back to the squad. So we're gonna be unboxing some stuff. We already unboxed it. I already have. I'm gonna show them all this. I wanna give it to you. First up is the white big fat slime. So looks really gross, but yeah. Next slime is. Let me get outside. Oh, what kind of slime is this? It's really blue, and I think it's glow in the dark. Glow in the dark slime, and it glows green. It's green. This one is supposed to be glow in the dark, but it's not glow in the dark at all. It's just regular slime, but pink and glittery. I love pink and glitter. We got this ruined slime. Oh, yeah, we have to throw that away. Anyway, we're going to throw it out of the way. But next we have my other slime. Me and my sister's slime. That's all of the slimes that we showed. So far as ours, both of ours. This is another slime that's both of ours.
I'm playing this one.
First one we're going to open up is Chezzy's, our slime, our yellow slime. First, Chezzy, don't play with that slime. No. So first we're going to be playing with this. Next we're going to be playing with the big fat slime. Yeah, this one's turning out goopy, really goopy, but this is so satisfying. But let's put that away, and let's have. We're gonna have my slime, my blue slime. We're gonna go with all the little slimes first, and then the big beluga slime. This is not goopy, guys, but
Yeah.
you guys are making a bubble. Turn it back. Chezina, I've turned it around to you. Let's go with the blue, the one that dark slide. Yeah. Did I get it all out? Okay. Let's see how stretchy. So stretchy. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, look at that. It's so stretchy. No.
Oh my God, it's so nice like that.
No, I don't want it to mix it up. What? You should stop covering the slime with it.
Melody, you should put a ziploc on it.
No.
Then,
Stop it.
then I'm gonna make a big bubble.
Don't do it yet, because I'm trying to show them all the slime. So let's put that away. And then my favorite color, pink. Come on, Pinky. So
That's a fish.
sticky. Look at that.
Do a bubble. And that's what we do.
Crunch.
Oh,
Crunch.
yeah.
Okay, next we're going with the big beluga slime.
Big balloon.
Because you can have the slime now. But just mine. Okay, which one do you want to play with? Do you want to play with the pink slime?
That's a big, no big bubble.
Okay, so let's put it there. Look at.
You're not touching that.
so big, big, jiggly, da dee 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 dee. The dancing cloud. Da 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 da. Okay, there's gonna be. Nope. Yeah. Our side is not raining. Not even close.
It looks like it's gonna rain. Where were you? Did you not look outside?
I did. I'm right there. It doesn't look. Stop. Get off of the table. Bob, Jesse's on the table.
And?
She's climbing on it.
Okay.
Chezzy, don't mix that up.
I am.
Stop, bruh. Don't, Chez. That's my
Put
slime.
it all already.
Glow in the dark. This one's not glow in the dark, but I love this big Beluga slime.
This one has a lot of glitter.
Put it in the bag.
Did I ever tell you guys you need to pick up all this shit? My bad sister.
Hiya.
Her bag and says bullshit bag. She'll
Chezzy, stop, or you're gonna be in the video.
Open bag before opening mouth. 2. Tuck open bag beneath chin. Start talking with the BS flow. When full, skip bag and dispose of.
Okay, let's go clean up, Chez. We have to go clean up. Chezzy, we have to go clean up.
How much you have on Facebook?
You put all the slimes away and cover it good.
You have $10, not $1. No. But if you're looking up at my name, you should sign it.
You guys ever seen this story before?